In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the login process on Wayfair, an online home store for furniture, decor, and more. Let's delve into how you can easily sign in to your Wayfair account so you can start shopping without any hassles. First, we begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to wayfair.com. This is your go-to online store for all things home-related, from furniture and decor to items for your outdoor space. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a variety of categories and promotions designed to enhance your shopping experience. Next, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page, making it easy and quick to find. Clicking on this button will lead you to the Sign In page, a crucial step in accessing your personal account where you can view past orders, manage payment information, and more. Once you've reached the sign-in page, it's time to enter your email address. Make sure to type it in the designated field accurately, as this is how Wayfair identifies your account. If you're using a shared or public device, it's best to ensure you aren't saving your login information for security reasons. With your email typed in, you'll see the option to click Continue. This button will prompt Wayfair to send a verification code to the email address you just entered. This step adds an extra layer of security by ensuring it really is you trying to access your account. Head over to your email inbox where you should find an email from Wayfair containing your verification code. If it doesn't appear immediately, double check your spam or junk folders just in case it ended up there. Once you have the code, return to the Wayfair sign-in page, enter the verification code exactly as it appears. It's crucial that you input the characters correctly to successfully log in. This code verifies your identity and keeps your account secure, acting as a confirmation that you are who you say you are. Finally, after entering the code, click Continue. This will complete the login process, granting you access to your Wayfair account. Now you're all set to explore everything Wayfair has to offer, from browsing new arrivals and special promotions to finalizing purchases and tracking your orders. Remember that keeping your account information secure is key. Avoid using simple passwords, log out when you're done, and always be cautious of phishing attempts. With these steps, you're now expertly equipped to log into your Wayfair account and enjoy all the benefits it provides. Happy shopping!